Does your husband want a workshop? Do your kids want a pool? Does your dog want a big fence yard to run and play around in? Do you want a 5-bedroom family home close to all amenities? Welcome to 469 Princess Street in Petrolia. This charming, completely redone home underwent a major renovation and addition in 2018, blending modern updates with classic comfort. The main floor offers a spacious kitchen and dining area, living room, 5-piece bath, bedroom, laundry, and mudroom. Walk up the cedar stairs to find 4 bedrooms, a convenient 2-piece bath, and the attic provides an exciting bonus room with an 8-foot high ceiling, perfect for a kid's playroom or extra storage. The expansive backyard is a homeowner's dream, providing ample space for outdoor activities and hosting family and friends. Dive into relaxation by the pool or tackle projects in the brand new 24 by 30 foot workshop. Don't miss your chance to own a home that checks all the boxes for the entire family. So jump in the market and give me a call.